are we?
We're at fucking fabulous.
We just finished eating.
Heck yeah!
And now we're gonna go to Urban Outfitters.
I'm gonna get a dress.
Yeah.
Because why not? Cora, what's up?
I'm gonna cut the bottom of my head off. Head off.
Okay, here we go. This is the cutter. This
Ready?
is the cut.
Cutting.
You fall, something red.
No, you won't until you try. You'll never feel happy. You'll never feel happy. No, you won't until you try. You'll never feel happy.
We're gonna do a bonfire, so present you the peeps. We're gonna be here
Hey! What's this?
for the vlog.
Woo, the vlog? Nice.
You'll never feel happy till you try. You'll never feel happy until you try. You'll never feel happy until you try.
David, stop smiling.
What? Okay, fine. I'll meet the press.
Never stop smiling.
Dylan, you said everything.
Oh, hello.
Everybody needs.
I can't stand
Everybody needs this. Everybody needs this.
Sushing?
Full on sushing. We're going to the park.
Woodbine is that like I'm down for Woodbine, but like when you say Woodbine.
Okay.
Why are you still recording? So rats.
You're so ratty.
Secret Beach sketch people out. Like no one here went to Secret Beach because it was too sketchy.
What's up? Corey? You just call him Corey?
Gora.
Where's Tori?
But it was fine. Nah, but that was a Thursday. This is a Wednesday.
So, this is done.
Hello.